Most people don't fail because they're weak. They fail because their brain gives up too early. But there's a group of people trained to never quit, no matter how much it hurts. They're not superhuman. They don't have special talent. But their brain, it's trained differently. If you learn how they think, you can rewire your own mind to become focused, disciplined, and unstoppable. 1. They don't trust their feelings. Here's the truth. Your feelings are lying to you. You're tired. Do it tomorrow. This is too hard. That's not reality. That's your brain trying to stay comfortable. Elite performers don't listen to feelings. They follow standards. They say, I do what needs to be done, even when I don't feel like it. If you want to train your brain, stop asking, do I feel like it? Start asking, is this necessary? 2. They break pain into small pieces. When things get hard, your brain panics because it sees the whole struggle. Just 10 more minutes, then another 10, then another. This is how they survive extreme pressure. They don't conquer everything at once. They conquer the next step. 3. They train when they don't want to. Anyone can work hard when they feel motivated. That's easy. But real mental strength is built on the days you don't feel like doing anything. That's where your brain rewires. Every time you push through resistance, you send a message to your mind, I'm in control. And over time, your brain stops fighting you and starts obeying you. 4. They use self-talk to control their mind. Your brain is always listening, and most people are destroying themselves with their own thoughts. I'm not good enough. I can't do this. I always fail. But elite performers flip the script. They don't wait to feel confident. They speak confidence into existence. I don't quit. I finish what I start. I've handled worse. It sounds simple, but this is how you take control of your mind. 5. They stay calm under pressure. When stress hits, most people lose control. They panic. They overthink. They freeze. But top performers train their brain to stay calm. How? They slow everything down. They control their breathing. They focus only on what they can control. Because panic doesn't solve problems. Clarity does. 6. They embrace discomfort daily. Here's the biggest secret. They don't avoid pain. They train with it. Cold showers, hard workouts, doing things they hate. Why? Because every time you choose discomfort, your brain gets stronger. Comfort makes you weak. Discomfort builds you. You don't need to be born strong. You don't need perfect conditions. You just need to train your brain to not quit when it gets hard. Because the moment you stop obeying your feelings and start controlling your actions, that's the moment your life changes. Start today. One task, one moment of discipline. That's how it begins. Train your brain, and your life will follow.